The yellow one's so bright. Stars and stripes. Expanding soil. This girl can. What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdy, Gator. You guys, I'm still right here where I left off, over by the nautical and the shore items. We have a nice variety of items that are filling up over here, and they're calling it shore living. We have anchors and nautical jute ropes. We have cups and lots of wall art, cute little decorative bottles. Over here we have tons of like sunglasses, decorative sunglasses, brand new fluffy lays. We have all sorts of new items for summer, a whole lot of wall art. Now, I didn't get to show you guys everything because we ran out of time, but we do have a lot of additional straws and stirrers and cute little LED paper lanterns, the little cup sets. You guys know how it is after Easter. It may take a few days for everything to get stocked. Purple, green, ooh, the yellow one's so bright. We have yellow, and we have pink. These hold, how many ounces? Let's see if it says. It actually doesn't say. They're calling them tumblers or goblets though. We have even more wall art. We even have a little photo backdrop here. This is my happy place. Welcome to paradise. Ocean waves, lazy days, lots of flamingos, lots of macaws, lots of pineapples. Island time, welcome to paradise, lots of sunsets, lots of big flowers and tropical leaves. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. The little tinsel flamingos in 2 different shades. I love the little orange legs. We have light pink and bright pink. And then let's see if we have anything new over here. You guys have probably seen most of these items. We have the little wind twisters in rainbow colors. The little hummingbird feeders are here. Tons and tons of garden gloves. Lots and lots of garden gloves. We have some graduation items. Oh, what's this? This is natural and organic. What? Expanding soil. Expands 10 times. Just add water. Ooh. That's a pretty interesting product. I like that it saves space. You don't have to have a huge bag of soil if you're just going to do a little project. We have all of our Memorial Day items and 4th of July items. This one says 4th of July. Tinsel decor, decorative bows, paper lanterns. We even have a purple truck that says USA with gnomes. I wasn't really expecting the purple, but maybe we're going to be seeing some purple this 4th of July Memorial Day with the decorations. Stars and stripes, a variety of different gnomes, stickers, window clings, land of the free, land of the brave and the free, one nation. And then we have lots of necklaces, paper plates. These are a really big size, 12.5 inches by 10.25 inches. You get 6 in a pack, and 12 9x9 plates in this pack. Lots of napkins, balloons, little DIY, 4th of July and Memorial Day decor. This is brand new. We have a 3-pack of foldable patriotic fans. Those are definitely new. I'm seeing graduation cards as well. Congrats, grad 2022. We have our grad plates. We have our grad mugs. Reach for the stars. This girl can. And these are a nice big size. Congrats, grad 2022. The little party favor surprises. The little wands. The hanging decorations. The centerpiece. Like usual, it's gold and black and white traditionally. Oh, these are cute. These are little stickers. They're like bubbly stickers. Congrats, grads. It reminds me of the Mylar balloons in gold and also in silver. A couple stars and a graduation hat. We always have the 2022 duckies. And then all of the little plastic and paper banners. The little yard stakes. They're calling them yard signs. What's this? This is just a clear. It says congrats grad. I don't really know. There's like a little thing where you can cut the piece off in the corner, but I don't know. Maybe you just slip that into something. We also have the little tinsel graduation hats. Yeah, you guys, that's what's new. 3 stem velvet roses. These are also new. 3 roses in a pack. And then the 4-foot garlands are new. Ivy garlands. We also have the light up roses. These might be left over from Valentine's Day. Okay, and over here we have swim goggles. We have beach toys, the little handheld mini fans. My kids loved these when they were little. Red, orange, green, and blue. It needs 2 AA batteries, and the batteries are not included. And then we have the Mickey Mouse and Friends insect repelling bands. Each one has a little charm on it. These do not contain DEET. We have Minnie, Mickey, yellow, blue. I see red. I think we just have these 4 varieties here. 2 Mickeys and 2 Minnies. The Frisbees, the bat and ball sets. Excuse me. What do we have over here? Oh, just some more cute spring decor. These are pretty. Welcome. In the pretty blue. It's all about the journey and welcome spring. Oh, and we also have the grad glasses. I like those. Pink. We have blue, silver. We have black and a sparkly. Well, I guess, I don't know. It looks like, I guess they're all the same. Some of them just look a little different in the light. And of course, some pretty felt butterflies. We have pink, purple, and green. All right, you guys, well, I'm gonna be heading down your favorite aisle, the makeup aisle. Of course, that's where I'm gonna be heading next. So definitely come back to my very next video. You guys, we are gonna be looking down the makeup aisle. Hopefully we're gonna find a lot of new items, new self-care items, new nails, new makeup. I am really excited. I'm already seeing new items just from standing over here. So definitely join me, you guys, in the very next video. But all right, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.